Hi friends, I am Angel and I am studying in class 5th. Today I would like to share that how to make homemade buns. So let's get started. For making bun, we need 2 cup of all purpose flour, half cup of water, half cup of milk, 1 teaspoon yeast, 1 teaspoon sugar, half teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoon butter. If butter is not available, you can be use 2 tablespoon of unflavored oil or 2 tablespoon of ghee. Before making the dough, we will sieve the flour with the help of strainer. Firstly, we add yeast. We already measured it. Thereafter sugar. Thereafter salt. We add butter, oil or ghee. Then we add milk and water and make a dough. Now you can see that our dough is almost ready. Then we brush some melted butter on the top and then we cover it and keep it aside in the warm place for at least 2 hours. Our dough is looking better. Now we will make balls from this dough. Like this. Our balls are almost ready. Now we will grease our tray. Then we will place the balls on the tray. Then we brush some melted butter on the top. Then we cover it and keep it aside in the warm place for at least 30 minutes. Now our dough balls are ready to be baked. Remember that before baking the dough balls, preheat your oven in 200 degrees for 5 minutes and then bake it for 15 minutes in 200 degrees. "15 minutes in 200 degrees. Our buns are ready and then we lightly brush some butter on it that remains soft and it doesn't hard up again. Now presentation time, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.